Another way to create new pieces is the function split trim, split piece. With this function, I can split my pattern into separate pieces on a split line. As I create two pieces, one of them will keep the original name, and for the other one the system will create a new name. It depends on your cursor position. So if I want my back piece to keep the original name, I place my cursor on the side of the split line and make sure the split line is still highlighted. With a simple left click, I can split my pattern into two pieces. As I move the yoke away from the back piece, I can clearly see the yoke is displayed in red, and in the object properties I will see the system created a new name. My back piece is still displayed in blue, and it kept the original name. Let's repeat the same on the split line for the side piece. With the function split trim, split piece, I place my cursor on the side where I want my piece to keep the original name. In this case, my back piece again, and make sure to highlight the split line. With a left click, the system splitted the piece, and as I move my side piece away, I can see it's displayed in orange, and again in the object properties you will see the new name the system created for the side piece. In the next step, you could use the function piece name or the attributes to create new individual names for the yoke and the side piece.